Hey y'all, listen, start to finish, I want to show y'all. I have been laying down all afternoon after Mac left, and I've had, I don't know, maybe 8 messages regarding this macaroni and cheese. I think that it's so easy that people question it because it is so easy. I think that's the issue. I'll show you this. Here's the chocolate chip cookie dough cheesecake bars. Y'all listen. I'm going to give it to you straight. If you want to make mac and cheese for the holidays, this is the easiest recipe in the universe, in my opinion. I'm going to set my oven at 350 degrees. And I'm going to show you, start to finish, how quick you put this together. So hang on. Hang on. I got a 16-ounce box of macaroni and noodles. I'm going to grab 1 stick of butter. I'm going to put it in this pan so that I don't have to worry about it, forgetting your pan or whatever. Anyway, I'm going to grab what I need real quick out of the fridge. And I'm going to show y'all how quickly this comes together. I've had so many people contact me through the vlog to say how good it is and how easy it was and that they'll never make macaroni and cheese the same again. And it's true. Okay? Hold on, it's worth it. Totally worth it, y'all. Totally worth it. I've got to put mine together anyway, because I've been resting this afternoon and now it's time to get a few things done for Gobble Tea Wobble. The shirt says that, y'all. Gobble Tea Wobble. The kids coming from Wake Forest, one of them requested this. 1 stick of butter is going into a 350 degree oven just to melt the butter. Okay, now while that's doing that, I'm going to get out what I need, which is dried ground mustard. Where the heck is it? Oh, there we go. I'm going to put a little bit of smoked paprika in mine. That's not in the recipe, but I'm going to do that. And let's see. Salt and pepper. Okay. Okay, are y'all ready for this? I'm going to crack 1 egg. Y'all, and I can do this and I'm hurt, okay? I'm just telling you. And I'm not like downgrading it, like talking to you like you're dumb or something. I'm just saying this is the easiest mac and cheese recipe ever. And it's delicious. Delicious. Not just good, but delicious. 1 egg, 4 cups of milk. You can make it a little richer by using half and half or heavy whipping cream. It's totally up to you. You could do half of heavy whipping cream and half milk. Don't matter. I mean, if you want a richer flavor, that's what you want to do. Now, I put my spices into this mixture. So, into this mixture goes my salt, about 1.5 teaspoons. I'm going to put a little bit of smoked paprika in this one. Like I said, that's not 1/2 teaspoon. That's not mandatory. Okay? The salt, the pepper, and the dried mustard are for this recipe. 1 teaspoon of dried mustard. And I actually grabbed the salt instead of the pepper. Hold on. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You do not cook the noodles. Because people ask me that. You know how you have to hear it rephrased because you're not sure that that's right because it just seems too easy? That's this recipe. So I get a lot of questions about it. Hold on. I'm going to get the butter out of my oven and the pan, and then this segment will be done. Let me make a spot here. I hope everybody's families that are traveling. I pray for safe travel mercies and that they get here or there where they're supposed to get safely. This is not quite all the way melted, but it really doesn't matter. Because here's what I'm going to do to speed it up for this segment. I'm going to take the remainder of that butter, stick of butter. I mean, I hate to dirty up another dish, but I also hate for this segment to go way long because my point in trying to show it is that it's so easy. And quick. Let me nuke that. Okay. While that's going on, 16 ounces raw macaroni noodles right into the pan. Can y'all see that? I mean, look, y'all, my husband could even make this and he don't cook. Just saying. This one is in the new recipe book that's coming out. This macaroni and cheese recipe is in it. That needs just another 20 seconds. A lot of y'all are making this for Thanksgiving because you've shared that with me. That makes me very happy because you'll use it for decades. And look, y'all, you can gobble till you wobble. Just saying. Okay, here's the rest of that butter. I've made this for the football team too. Not the Wake football team, but the football team, the high school. I'm going to take 2 cups of sharp cheddar shredded cheese. You can use more than that if you wish. And I'm going to. This is 16. Oh, that's 2 cups. Okay. Seems like more. Now, I'm simply going to take this mixture, give it a zhuzh, pour it over the top. I'm going to cover this and refrigerate it overnight. And when I get up in the morning, I'm going to put it in the oven, probably about 10 o'clock. And if y'all will scroll back, there's pictures of it done. That's it. Okay? Nancy's macaroni and cheese. You'll love it. Try it. It's an easy, surefire thing. Surefire, y'all, for Thanksgiving Day. So there you have it. Now all I have to do is my cabbage. And I will blog that because that's the other recipe that gets lots of hits and lots of questions. The 3-beer cabbage. And I will try to get my son to do it. Anyway, so stay tuned for that. Cookie cutting, I'm keeping it real. Nancy's Easy Mac and Cheese.